When I run, I feel, especially in a remote place, in the dark, in complete solitude, alone, all by yourself. You face your fears, you face your real self. It brings you into a higher state of mind, a place where you have never been before. The water is reflecting myself and the mountains in the dawn. They are my teacher, everything became my teacher here. Nature guides me, it shows me the way. Nature teaches me how to trust my heart, my mind, my inner knowing, the senses of my body and the blessings of my spirit. The wind, the sun, the water, it's all so powerful. There is no way you can go against it. It's a certain feeling, a really intense feeling, one you don't get anywhere else, that makes your hair stand, it makes you scream, it makes me run. But when the day comes to an end, I like to flow like the water, be as fast as the wind and be as hard as the rocks, because nature is always watching me. She takes care of me and she wants me to be strong, really strong. I feel this oneness and I feel so safe, and all she asks me for is to protect her.